running a cosmetic business? Labelgraff offers you the best labeling solution for the beauty industry. First, print your labels using OKI Pro 1050. It offers a unique fifth color or CMYK plus white option, allowing for greater flexibility in your label design. It is also cost-effective and uses dry toner technology. Print waterproof and resistant to UV fading labels, ideal for beauty and personal care products. Second, you can laminate, cut, slit, or cross-cut your work into sheets using Label Finisher DLC 1000. Accurately cut any shapes on high-speed manner. Smoothly and easy matrix removal. It can also slit or cross-cut your work into sheets. Low cost and high precision for your label production. Also reduced labor costs because of its unmanned system. Cost saving and short lead time. Finally, apply your labels using Flat Applicator 1220. This semi-automatic applicator is specially made for flat surface objects. Just place the container on the work platform, and a robotic arm feeds and sticks the label on the container. Apply your labels fast, easy, and accurately on your product. You can apply labels on both front and back of your product. The production capacity is up to 700 pieces per hour, depending on the length of the label and the speed of the operator. To know more about full digital label printing and finishing solutions, visit www.labelgraff.com. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.